Hello friends, this is Kira with Ninja Needles. I'm going to be showing you a straight stitch today. You can see over on this side of the embroidery an example of straight stitches already done. I will be doing them on this side for this little lady's eyebrows. I've already got my needle threaded with a knot tied at the end. Oh, there we go, there's the knot, that little one. All right, here we go. So with every stitch you do, pretty much, not always, but pretty much every stitch, you come up from the back of the hoop. So you stick your needle up through where you want to get started, and you pull her all the way through. And with a straight stitch, you just go ahead and go right back down where you want the stitch to end. So I'm just going to cover this entire little hair, pull all the way through the back. Bam! That, my friends, is a straight stitch. That is how simple it is to get started stitching. This is probably the most basic stitch, the one that's just, you know, how to get thread onto fabric to start creating an image, which is all stitching is. That's all embroidery is. I'm gonna be quiet now and let you enjoy some nice stitching ASMR. I finish off these eyebrows. I am going to interject right now though and say I'm skipping this hair here, this one here, I'm doing this one, because simply I think I drew this eyebrow in considerably bushier than I did the other eyebrow. I'm not happy with that, so I'm not going to go that far down. I guess I'll just add one here. You can do that on embroidery, you know, you can just alter the pattern. It's not printed in, you know, stone. Well, we read ours on with heat erasable ink. So in this case, it's written in heat erasable ink. Sometimes I disagree with how I've drawn in my own pattern. So I go off, and that's fine. That's the thing with embroidery. You can really do whatever you want with it. There's no rules. There's just techniques to make it easier. Yeah, that's all these videos are about, teaching you some simple techniques, some building blocks that are gonna get you started on your journey. All right, we did it, friends. We've got two eyebrows. One's a little bushier, a little more wild, but that's okay. Maybe she's in the process of plucking her eyebrows. Or maybe she's just slightly quizzical. Who's to say? Until next time, my friends. Until next time. Someone's home.